Every year, Earth makes a full trip around the sun. Right now, we're moving at a mind-blowing speed of 30 kilometers per second, 19 miles per second. But what if we crank that speed up? And not just a little. What if Earth started orbiting the sun at the speed of light? Would we survive? Would we even recognize our planet? Buckle up, because this is about to get insane. Light speed is the fastest thing in the universe, 300,000 kilometers per second, 186,000 miles per second. That's so fast, it takes just 8 minutes for light to travel from the sun to Earth. It takes only a second for light to reflect off the moon and reach your eyes. But could a massive object like Earth ever move this fast? Technically, no. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the faster you go, the more massive you become, until you need infinite energy to move. But for the sake of this mind-bending experiment, let's say we found a way. Right now, Earth orbits the Sun at a modest 30 kilometers. That's fast, but it's only 0.01% of the speed of light. If we even nudge this speed up slightly, say to 42 kilometers, we'd already be in trouble. Why? Because at that speed, we'd break free from the Sun's gravity, drifting aimlessly through space as a frozen rogue planet. If Earth kept moving at this speed, we'd leave the solar system in just a few years. We'd pass Mars, then Jupiter. If we were unlucky, we might even crash into Jupiter itself. That would be an apocalyptic impact like no other. But assuming we avoided that fate, Earth would keep traveling into deep space, alone, cold, and lifeless. Okay, let's start over. Instead of Earth drifting away, let's bend the laws of physics and keep it locked in orbit at light speed. But where would we even get the energy for such a massive boost? One idea. Hypervelocity stars. These rare stars can travel up to 33% of light speed after being slingshotted by black holes. If Earth could somehow hitch a ride on a black hole's gravitational slingshot, we might just achieve the impossible. So let's say we succeed. Earth is now orbiting at light speed. What would that be like? First off, you'd never see stars in the night sky again. The Doppler effect would shift their light into the X-ray spectrum, making them invisible to the human eye. Worse, these X-rays would bombard Earth, causing deadly radiation exposure. If that wasn't bad enough, our atmosphere wouldn't be able to withstand this new speed. Tiny hydrogen molecules from space would slam into Earth with unimaginable force, ripping our air apart. Within moments, Earth would lose its entire atmosphere, leaving us gasping for air in an exposed, lifeless world. Still not terrifying enough? Let's talk about space debris. Even tiny dust particles traveling at normal speeds would now be colliding with Earth at unimaginable velocities. The kinetic energy from these micro-impacts would create explosions stronger than nuclear bombs. The entire planet would be bombarded with no way to stop it. Cities would be vaporized, and even underground shelters wouldn't save us. With no air, no protection, and constant bombardment, Earth would quickly become an uninhabitable wasteland. Our beautiful blue planet would turn into a dark, glowing ember, burning from the inside out due to the extreme stress of light-speed motion. Within minutes, Earth would disintegrate into a cloud of scattered debris. Game over. So, what did we learn today? Light speed is not our friend. If Earth ever reached this impossible speed, we wouldn't survive long enough to enjoy the ride. But that's just one insane scenario. What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Or what if we somehow moved to another galaxy? Stick around, because we'll be covering all of that in the next episode of What If?